You think identity comes first, that if you declare who you want to be, everything will follow. I used to believe that. I'd buy the gear, tell everyone the plan, wear the new me outfit, and 3 weeks later it was all gone. The gym bag gathered dust. The big intentions evaporated. Sound familiar? Here's a cleaner truth. Identity usually follows action, not the other way around. Your brain isn't a motivational poster that listens to declarations. It's a quiet observer that logs what you actually do. Every tiny action is a data point. Do something once and the brain files it as a fluke. Do it twice and a pattern emerges. Do it 3 times and the brain subtly updates its model of you and thinks, oh, this is what they do. That slow update is where identity is born. Think of this as a mirror effect. Small, repeated behaviors reflecting back and gradually shifting how you see yourself. The trick is to begin microscopic, absurdly, almost insultingly small. Want to become a reader? Don't announce 50 books a year. Read 1 page tonight. Want to be fitter? Don't start with an hour workout. Do a single push-up after you brush your teeth. The first step has to be tiny enough your ego laughs. Your brain doesn't laugh at records. Over time, those tiny acts stack into habits that feel natural. Why does this work? Because your brain is plastic. Imagine it as a terrain where footsteps carve trails. Walk the same path enough and it becomes clear and easy to follow. Your brain doesn't care whether the path leads to a garden or a junkyard. It simply reinforces whatever route you travel most. That's why trying to stop a habit by battling it directly often fails. Telling yourself, don't think about that, is basically flashing a neon sign that says, think about it. Instead of fighting the old path, build a new one. Want to stop checking your phone first thing? Don't willpower away the urge, create a new automatic cue. A glass of water on your bedside table, a 5-minute stretch, 3 deep breaths. Each time you follow the new path, you're laying a fresh trail in the brain. The old route fades not because you fought it, but because you simply stopped maintaining it. Now, 3 practical pillars to make this happen, tiny moves that actually change identity. Shrink the action. Make the first step ridiculously easy. Want to write daily? Open a document and type 1 sentence. Want to meditate? Sit for 60 seconds. The goal isn't to be heroic, it's to be repeatable. Tiny wins compound faster than colossal promises. Design the space. Behavior follows the path of least resistance, like water flowing downhill. Remove friction for the habits you want and add friction for the ones you don't. Put the book you want to read on your pillow, not buried in an app. Leave your workout clothes where you'll step on them first thing. Delete an app, move the charger to the other room, or hide snacks out of immediate reach. These environmental nudges work even when motivation is gone. Match energy to action. Time is a constant river. Energy is the fuel that determines what you can actually do. Notice your focus peaks, schedule your demanding tasks there. Save low-energy tasks for when you're drained. Automate small decisions, same outfit, planned meals, to protect decision energy. Treat recovery as strategic refueling. Short walks, hydration, and brief resets restore capacity and help you show up for the tiny habits. Put these together into a simple framework. Tiny action equal to environment. Nudge equal to energy match. Pick one microscopic habit. Make your surroundings favor it, and do it when your energy supports it. Repeat. Weeks later, the path deepens, your brain notices. Your identity shifts. Here are concrete examples. To start reading, place a book on your bedside. Read 1 page after lights out, and keep the page count your only metric. To move more, lay out workout clothes beside the bed. Set a 2-minute movement timer upon waking and build from there. To focus, close every tab except the one you need, set a single 25-minute timer and defend that block as sacred. One nuance: your brain trusts consistency, not drama. Big, sporadic bursts of willpower confuse it. Tiny, steady signals tell it a new story. And once belief changes, behavior becomes effortless, and then belief deepens further. That feedback loop is how real, lasting change happens. So stop arguing with who you think you should be. Start giving your brain evidence, small, repeatable evidence. No grand declarations. No guilt-ridden sprints. Just tiny, strategic steps that rewire your wiring over time. If one thing sticks today, let it be this. Choose the smallest possible first step toward the habit you want. Change one thing in your environment to make that step easy, and do it when you actually have the energy to follow through. Try it for 2 weeks and notice what changes. Drop the tiny habit you chose in the comments. I read them all. If you want a short series that helps you pick microscopic habits for any goal, subscribe and join the experiment. Small moves, massive change. See you in the next one.